Did you know that over 25% of the world's population suffers from fatty liver disease, often without even realizing it? If left untreated, it can lead to liver inflammation, fibrosis, and even cirrhosis. But what if I told you that something as simple as a lime could help cleanse your liver naturally? Let's find out how. Limes are packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and citric acid, which play a crucial role in detoxifying the liver. The flavonoids in limes help reduce oxidative stress, preventing liver damage caused by excess fat buildup. Studies show that citrus fruits can lower liver fat accumulation by up to 30% when combined with a healthy diet. Limes also stimulate the production of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that supports liver function. Plus, their high water and fiber content promote digestion and help flush out toxins more efficiently. To get these benefits, try drinking warm lime water every morning or add fresh lime juice to your salads and meals. Taking care of your liver is essential for overall health. So, why not start with a simple squeeze of lime? Your liver will thank you.